Hello, my name is Frederick Anafi, and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we are going to look at how to consolidate multiple sheets into one. Here we have our data where we want to consolidate the monthly sales per market, sum it for the full year. So when you go to January, you can see that we have the sales for rice, maize, gari, millet, and soya in the various markets: Accra, Kumasi, Techiman, and Tamale, and these are cities in Ghana. So you can see that for each of the tabs, that's for the months, we have the sales in there for the various products per the cities. All we want to do is sum all this for the various months and put the total in here. How do we do that? First, we'll select the range where we want to put the whole total, introduce our equal sign, introduce the sum function, open our parentheses, select the first cell, that's where we have January, that's for the rice. What you should note that when you look into all our data, where we have the column for Accra, in all the sheets you still find Accra in the same column. So it means rice for Accra will always be in cell B4. So you have selected that. You press on the shift key, select the tab December. You see that all the sheets will be selected. Then you close your parentheses. Then you press on the control enter. Voila, you have the total sales. That's the sum of all the monthly sales. So this will give us all the year sales. This is how smart you can really go about doing sums or consolidating multiple sheets into one. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on YouTube Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.